If you are thinking about buying the Samsung Galaxy S26, I need to tell you something first. This phone is powerful, it's clean, it's premium, but it might not be worth upgrading. Today, I'm giving you the full honest review of the Samsung Galaxy S26. No hype, no exaggeration. Design, performance, and camera, battery, AI, and whether it makes sense to buy in 2026, especially if you are in Ghana. Let's get into it. The first thing you will notice, it's very familiar. Samsung didn't redesign the phone completely. You will get a slim glass body, flat edges, aluminum frame, minimal camera bump, premium feel. It's light, it's comfortable, and it feels expensive, but it doesn't scream. If you are coming from S22 or older, it will feel like a big upgrade. If you are coming from S24 or S25, you will barely notice the difference. Samsung never disappoint with screen. You get 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, bright, super bright AMOLED, smooth scrolling, great outdoor visibility, watching YouTube video, crisp, Netflix beautiful, scrolling social media very smooth. Honestly, this is one of the best in its class. No complaints. Now let's talk power. The Galaxy S26 ran on a powerful next-gen processor designed for speed and efficiency. What does that mean for you? App open instantly, gaming runs smoothly, AI features respond quickly, and multitasking feels effortless. If you play games like Call of Duty Mobile or PUBG, no problem. If you edit videos on your phone, it's smooth. If you just browse social media, it feels fast and premium. But here is the truth. For everyday users, the speed from last year isn't dramatic. It's faster, yes, but not life changing. Samsung is pushing AI hard this year. You get features like remove object from photo with text, smart text summarizing, AI search, smart assistant suggestions. It feels futuristic. But ask yourself, how often will you actually use this? For tech lovers, fun. For normal users, maybe sometimes. It's nice to have, not a reason alone to upgrade. Now this is where most people care. The S26 comes with 50 MP main camera, 12 MP ultra wide, 10 MP telephoto, and 12 MP selfie camera. Daylight photos, sharp, bright, natural colors, night photos, improved brightness and better noise control, zoom, solid up to mid-range levels, videos, very stable, 4K looks clean, great for content creators starting YouTube, selfie camera, good skin tone, clear and social media ready. But again, it's improvements, not revolution. If you have S22 or older, big upgrade. If you have S24, no huge difference. Battery capacity is around 4300 mAh. Real world usage, it lasts a full day with social media, course, YouTube, light gaming, heavy gaming all day. You will need to charge before night. Charging speed is decent. Wireless charging is supported. Not the fastest in the industry, but reliable. Now let's talk about money. This is a premium phone, so the price is not small. In Ghana especially, it will be expensive because of import cost. So who should buy the Galaxy S26? Buy it if you are upgrading from S21 or S22. You want a premium Android experience. You care about display quality. You want long software support, but don't rush. If you already own S24 or S25, if you are expecting a big redesign, or if you are on a tight budget, for many people waiting for price drop might be smarter. So this is the final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy S26 is clean, fast, reliable, premium, but it also safe, incremental and expensive. It's a solid phone, just not a ground breaking one. If you are upgrading from older models, yes. If you already have recent flagship, maybe skip. So now I want to hear from you. Would you buy the Galaxy S26 this year, or you waiting for price to drop? Comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews and smart money decisions. This is Agdoc Media. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bless up.